everybody. Hey everybody. Today I am playing Don't Push the Button, and now I'm on the red team, so let's get the painting. Oh, I thought it was a that. And hopefully you guys can hear me better because last night I was rewatching my video from last night with my friends, and I couldn't really hear my audio that well. Speaking up, I'm not gonna move the camera because I think that's been making me like not talk well. So I'm gonna stay as still as I can. Oh, I can't do this one. Roll your snowball to make it bigger. As many snow piles as you can. Oh, mine's really big. She got 50? Whoa, that's a lot. Alright. Zombies are roaming the city. Parkour. Guys, comment down below if you like parkour. I kind of do. I played it in a video from maybe a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. I don't know, but I did it a little while. Can I have to climb? Ugh. How did I turn into a zombie? It's Jones, whatever. Run away, run away. I haven't played this game in so long. I haven't played this game in so long. I thought we had to go inside the house. That's not that funny, but it's chill. Ooh, on the Doge. Is it just me, or do I like, or do I like love the Doges? Does anyone else love the Doges? Comment down below if you also like the Doges. Like, I don't know if I just like them because I'm a dog lover. It's true. No! This step keeps opening. Try not to mind this, guys. Please don't. Please just don't mind it. It happens a lot. It's really annoying. It's okay. I don't know if it's happening because there's something wrong with my iPad, but... Dude, I haven't gotten any blacks. What do you mean? I got black like a few at least. Okay, I at least got one. Okay, I have 4 now. 4. Here, girl, this girl keeps winning. Like, girl, let someone else win. Tsunami incoming. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Yeah, that after Julia girl ain't got nothing on me. I'm going up, up, up. Where is the tsunami? Like, which way is it coming from? That's too bad. Okay, we have to spam click it. I do this all the time. In this, I usually win. After Julia just left. It's been pressed 109 times. Nice! Let's go trick-or-treating! I'm a pirate! Oh my god, you can see I'm right there. Okay, yes, let's just open it. YOLO. Nah. Trick-or-treat! Oh no, run! Ah! I died! No, I'm not a pirate anymore. That's pretty funny.
I love spending time with you.
Oh, I like the teddy bear. And I also like the speed coil. Speed coil is pretty helpful. Oh no. We're blowing each other up. No! We didn't make it. Okay, let's watch these other guys now. I have this girl now. Cross the road. Ah! Did I get another crash? No. Did I get another chance? Yes. Well, maybe I can try going up here. You know what, guys? Let's just go to the shop. Let's see if we can buy anything. Should I get a beach ball since it's summer, guys? Okay, I'm just gonna get the beach ball. How much is it? Oh, that's a lot. You know what? Whatever, it's for you guys. You guys can have it. There you go. Get the most spheres into your team's pool. Oh, does that mean we have to take, like, these big guys into our, like, pool? No! I'm the blue team! No! Give me this. No! No! You are not going into that hole. I thought it was the blue. I thought it was the red team. Hey, come with me, you big fat spear. Kind of rude, actually. Ugh. That's okay, though. It's not a competition, it's just a game. feel like I should come closer to the screen so you guys can hear me more. Ooh, I kind of like this one. Whee! Give me this and this. No! I like that one. Okay. With the most words. Wait, what? What does that mean? This one's fun. Click it. Yay, I did it. But I didn't win, but that's okay. This one is the one that always makes me rage quit. The way for me to not rage quit is for me to either follow someone or just at least make it together. I'm gonna go this way. I don't think that's never mind. Oh shoot, I gotta go fast. It's gonna be a dead end. Please don't. Shoot. No! You didn't make it. Well, anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here because I woke up not too long ago and I'm kind of getting hungry. So maybe if my friends are online, I can record a video with them again later. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today. And be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Because I don't exactly know which time I'm going to be uploading, just that I'm going to be uploading every day. So